Jamilex Hernandez!
Top spot agad si Miss Telemundo. Ito ang latest survey result for Miss Universe 2025. Pasok pa rin si Atisa Manalo sa top 5. Ano ang say mo? Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 74th Miss Universe competition. This is Nel 2204 and don't forget to like and subscribe. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Miss Universe 2025 latest survey top 15 crown favorites. And now let's begin our top 15 with Miss Brazil, number 14, Croatia, number 13, Zambia, at number 12, Panama. And 11th spot goes to Miss Universe France. Pasok naman sa top 10 sina Miss Curaçao at number 9 Costa Rica, number 8 Miss Universe Iceland, number 7 Peru, and number 6 is Miss Universe Angola. At narito naman ang top 5 latest survey for crown favorite ng Miss Universe 2025. At number 5 we have Miss Universe Philippines, number 4 Venezuela, at number 3 is Miss Universe Portugal. Number 2 is Argentina. And number 1 is Miss Universe USA Latina. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our top 15 crown favorite for this day. Comment down below and support your favorite Miss Universe candidates. And now, don't forget to subscribe para mas makapagbigay po kami ng mas marami pang update at mga bagong balita para sa inyong lahat. This is Nel 2204, your pageant blogger host. Thank you so much for watching.